Imagine you're troubleshooting a scenario where there are multiple clients who have problems connecting to a cloud application. A lot of times you're going to probably troubleshoot on the same network and look at the devices and spend a lot of wasted time troubleshooting. Now, you'll end up finding out that the issue is not yours and it's somewhere in the cloud or maybe the application that's having issues. The reason why this is important is because Juniper Networks has announced Marvis Minis and extensibility or extending the capabilities of Marvis Minis beyond your local network. This provides application visibility, which is what they're calling client to cloud. And this is a form of synthetic testing where it'll test beyond the client journey on your network. What this really looks at is, hey, do you have a problem associating to Wi-Fi? Do you get DHCP? Is DNS working? Can you connect to the internet? These are the capabilities we had on the Mist dashboard. And so this client-to-cloud connectivity, it really puts Marvis Minis in these regional points of presence or POPs. And so you don't even need a bunch of Raspberry Pis or any other third-party sensors that you would place all across your network. These synthetic tests performed by the Marvis Minis can really pinpoint the issue of where it's happening, especially with applications. And that's really what we're trying to aim for with client experience, is that we want all of these applications to operate smoothly. But what happens if this issue is not on your network? And so that's why there's Marvis Minis now in these regional POPs that would be able to tell you pretty quickly if there was an issue with something like a specific ISP or maybe some connectivity out to a specific cloud. You'd be able to get all of this information in one central place. And so that's the announcement that Juniper Networks made about Marvis Minis, creating that extensibility of Marvis Minis into cloud regional POPs. Just curious if you would find this helpful in your scenario. Is this something that you would actually utilize? And if so, let me know down below in the comments, and also go ahead and subscribe for more.